Hello everyone, let's continue with our orthodontic synopsis. Today we are going to learn about some angles, supersymmetric angles. First one is facial angle. Okay, let me show you in the picture first. Okay, this is the facial angle. It is made by joining the FH plane and a line which joins nasion and pogonion. So this particular angle is made by these two lines where they join over here. Okay. So the average value is 87.8 degree range, which is from 82 to 95 degree. Okay. तो इसकी जो वैल्यू है वो 87.8 डिग्री है और ये 82 और 95 डिग्री तक रेंज कर सकता है. तो अगर ये 82 डिग्री से कम हुआ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर ये ऐसे हुआ तो डेफिनेटली ये पोगोनियन जो है पीछे जाएगा, जिसका मतलब है मैंडिबुलर पीछे जाएगा, मैंडिबल पीछे जाएगा आपका. और अगर ये 95 से ज्यादा हुआ तो मैंडिबल आगे आएगा. ओके, so what is the importance of this particular angle is it is an indication of antero-posterior positioning of mandible in relation to your upper face. Magnitude increases in skeletal class 3 cases and decreases in skeletal class 2 cases. Okay. Same thing has been explained over here. Average angle is 87.8 degree while the range is from 82 degree to 95 degree. It is formed by intersection of nasion and pogonion, which we saw just now, and FH plane. What is FH plane? FH plane is made by joining the porion and orbitale. Okay, so the FH plane and the line joining nasion and pogonion is your facial angle. Next we have angle of convexity. Okay, this is made by joining nasion and point A. Another line which is joining point A and pogonion. Okay, so this is the angle. It reveals convexity or concavity of skeletal profile. तो ये कैसे पता चलेगा? ओके, अभी ये एंगल आपका यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा है, तो अगर ये पॉइंट ए अगर यहाँ हुआ, ओके, और ये ऐसे जाएगा तो डेफिनेटली मैक्सिला आगे होगा. ओके, तो ये कॉन्वेक्सिटी बताएगा. और अगर ये पॉइंट मैक्सिला का पीछे हुआ तो ये आपका कॉन्केविटी बताएगा, ऐसे कॉन्केव हो जाएगा फिर. ठीक है. सो इट कैन रेंज फ्रॉम -8.5 टू 10 डिग्री. पॉजिटिव एंगल और इंक्रीज्ड एंगल which shows prominent maxillary denture base relative to mandible. Okay, so if it is positive angle, it will be increased and it will show prominent maxillary denture. Okay, another is decreased angle. If it is decreased, it will be in negative, which will show prognathic profile. Okay, same thing has been explained over here. NA and pogonion line, that is the angle is formed by the intersection of a line from nasion to point A, and okay, the average value is 0 degree while it ranges the range is from 0 to ±10 degree. Next is our mandibular plane angle. Mandibular, okay, this is the mandibular plane angle which is made by joining the lines of FH plane, which is your porion and orbitale. Okay, and another line which is joining your conion and menton. Okay, this is also known as mandibular plane. So the line joining these planes in the infinity, this is called as mandibular plane angle. Mean value is 21.9 degree and it ranges from 17 to 28 degree. Increased mandibular plane angle suggestive of vertical grower with hyperdivergent facial pattern. Okay, so imagine if the angle is more, okay, more than 28. So for example, if it is like this, so of course the mandible is over here and it is suggestive of the vertical growth pattern. So this is the mandibular plane angle. Okay, so let's see what is explained over here. It is formed by intersection of the mandibular plane and the FH plane, what we read over there. Okay, so value is 22 degree in Downs analysis, 32 degree in Steiner's analysis and 25 degree in Tweed analysis. So these researchers have given their own values. Also they have given some analysis based on dental, skeletal and soft tissue. So we'll be reading those particular analysis in the further videos. Then we have SNA, SNB, ANB angles. So as the name suggests, it is SN is made by Sella and Nasion, and NA is made by Nasion and A. So it is SNA angle. Okay. It indicates the relative anteroposterior positioning of maxilla in relation to cranial base. More than 82 degree shows prognatic maxilla, which is in class 2, and less than 82 degree shows retrognatic maxilla, which is in class 3. So, okay, so if this is more than 82 degrees, same way, if it is here, definitely your maxilla is in front, and if it is less, okay, so it is retrognatic and class 3. Next we have is SNB. Okay, so it is made by joining the points of S, which is Sella, Nasion and point B. Okay, that's why it is known as SNB. It indicates anteroposterior positioning of the mandible in relation to the cranial base. Okay, so this is about the mandible. If it is more than 80 degree, it will be prognatic, and if it is less than 80 degree, it will be retrognatic. Okay, so अगर पीछे होगा तो मैंडिबल रिट्रोग्नेटिक होगा, और अगर आगे होगी मतलब ज़्यादा होगा एंगल तो मैंडिबल आगे. Next we have is ANB angle. ANB angle, again the name suggests it is by intersection of point A, Nasion, then Nasion and point B. It denotes relative position of maxilla and mandible to each other. Okay, if it is more than 2, class 2 skeleton tendency, and if it is less than 2, it will show as skeletal class 3 tendency. Okay. Then we have is y-axis, angle obtained by joining the Sella-Nasion line with the FH plane. The value is 59 degree and it can range from 53 to 66. Okay, so here we have it. This is Sella and it is joining with Nasion. Then you have is FH plane. FH plane, as you know, it is from the folion to orbital. So the intersection of these two lines are known as y-axis. Okay, this particular angle is known as y-axis, also known as growth axis. So mean value is 59 degree and it can range from 53 to 66 degree. Okay. Again, this particular angle is larger in class 2 facial patterns than in class 3 patterns. Indicates growth pattern of an individual. Angle greater than normal vertical growth of mandible, angle smaller than normal horizontal growth of mandible. Next we have is occlusal plane angle, which is 14.5 degrees. Okay, so let's see in this picture occlusal plane angle. It is formed by the intersection of line joining Sella and Nasion. Another line is your occlusal plane. Okay, the mean value is 14.5 degree. It indicates relation of occlusal plane to the cranium and face. Indicates growth pattern of an individual. Then you have interincisal angle, which is 135 degree. Okay, so this is the interincisal angle, which is the angle between long axis of the upper incisor and the long axis of the lower incisor. Okay, so next we have is Frankfurt mandibular plane angle, incisor mandibular plane angle, Frankfurt mandibular incisor angle. So these come under your Tweed's analysis. Let me show you in this picture where we have FMPA, FMIA and IMPA. These are made by the intersection of few lines or few planes, which are, this is Frankfurt horizontal plane, which is formed by joining the chorion and orbital. Another is your long axis of mandibular incisor, this one, okay, and your mandibular plane, this one, as FMPA, which is 25 degree, and another one is IMPA, when the long axis of the incisor, mandibular incisor and mandibular plane intersect. That is known as IMPA, which is 90 degree. And the last one is FMIA, which is made by the intersection of the Frankfurt horizontal plane and the long axis of the mandibular incisor. Okay, and that has to be 65 degree. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.